Hi, it's Michelle with Pickle Hill Design, and I have a digital kit in my Etsy shop, and I wanted to just flip through the pages that you get included with this kit. And it's basically a floral kit. I have lots of stamps and effects. This is a torn page effect, so you get 3 torn pages. Here's the second one. Again, stamping, text, and images. I have this little grid theme kind of throughout. Here's another torn page effect. I have pages with pockets. There's 4 pockets, and these images have a floral image, and they have a like a tile background overlay just to add texture. There's tags, stamps, tickets, all using the same images, just repeated basically. A lot of florals. The stamps have kind of a little postmark stamp. Again, just images, text, the little grid to kind of tie it together. Here is the page with the envelopes, and the envelopes are real cute when they're assembled. So here's one of them that is assembled, and the back is just real pretty. I backed it with some antique paper, so that's not just plain inside, but that is an overlay of one of my antique ephemera envelopes. And then some more stamping. The stamping is all the stamps, and a lot of the overlays are from Manu Design Studio on Etsy, and she has so many beautiful images. And I asked her if I could use some of them in flattened form in my digital collage, because they're so they fit with my themes, and I really like them, and I have lots of them because I think I bought every kit that she has. So here's really the feature of this digital journal kit, and these are Harrison Fisher portraits of ladies, and I incorporated them into the digital collage pages. So there's 3 pages with ladies on them, and they're really just so amazing. This kit would not be as beautiful without these images, and they're just inlaid into a larger collage of the flowers, stamps, and just text. And here's the grid. Just really pretty. They're so feminine and amazing. But these colors are wonderful. Bluish purple. I really have to reinforce the idea that the paper matters, your printer settings matter. These will not be as beautiful. These images will not be the right color, and they won't be as sharp and beautiful if all the components aren't correct. So get good quality paper, the right paper for your printer, and the right printer settings when you print. So here's the journal pages. You'll get 3 sets of journal pages, and they all have the same background lines, and but they have different overlays. And so the overlay is, these are masks, and so there's a floral background, but then the overlay has details. So there's really pretty scroll detail, and then flowers. But wouldn't that be a beautiful place to put down some memories or thoughts for the day? You get 3 pages like this, all with real intricate designs in the corners and the lined areas for journaling. Here's the 3rd page of lines. And again, there's some script and design designs that come through. This is basically a background page you can cut up and use or have as one of your pages. This again has the floral images with that one tile background that comes through and just makes it something special. These images are all so beautiful. I really had a lot of pleasure making these pages. The images are just wonderful. And here's a collage, and again I have lots of pieces taken from a Manu Design Studio on Etsy. Just various elements, these dried flowers. So just really make a difference. These documents are from my stash, so these are documents that I have physically and have incorporated into this collage, and you could use this as a background as well. But it's just something different, something versatile. This page you could use in different ways. And I have started a journal, just very roughly, the beginning stages of a journal with this paper. And on the back of my journal pages, I printed antique papery designs. And so just a preview of something that is in the works. This is just a paper bag that I decoupaged with the napkin and sewed. I've sewn around it, but just using these papers, and I don't know what order they'll be in, but this is just preliminaries. I put the pockets together so you can see the pockets here, tags, not really sure, nothing's finalized, don't know what order, like I said, or what will go in these envelopes. But this is antique papery and my design. Antique papery, one of the journal pages. Journal page. These are antique papery. There's that one background page. I put it in the center for now. I don't know, like I said, what the future holds for this journal. Lots of embellishing and adding pages probably in pockets and embellishments. But that would be just a real quick preview and display of what papers are available in new junk journal kit in my Etsy shop, and it is called Floral Beauties. Floral Beauties because of the Harrison Fisher images. And so if you get a chance, check it out. I'll put the link at the bottom. And that's it for me.